In most cases, updating your theme in WordPress is really quick and easy. To get started, open your WordPress admin, click on Appearance, and then on Themes. Here, it will tell you if you have an update available for your active theme or any other theme that you have installed. If you click on a theme that has an update available, you may notice that it says something like View Version Details. Clicking this will show you any information that the theme author has provided about the update. It's important to read this because there could be a warning about why certain sites may not want to upgrade. For example, they may be removing or testing a new feature that could impact your site. If, after reading the details, you're ready to do the update, you can click on the Update Now button. Available theme updates will also show on the main update screen, which you can get to by clicking on Dashboard and then on Updates, and then scrolling down to the Themes section. Here you can check the box for one or more themes and click the Update Themes button. Even if you downloaded or purchased your theme from a third-party source, and not the WordPress directory, WordPress does provide a way for theme authors to make use of the built-in updating system. There is still a small chance, though, that some third-party themes don't use it and would need to be updated manually. If this is the case for your theme, you'll likely receive a notification from your theme's author about the update and a link to download the new version. From there, you would need to follow the instructions they provided for overwriting the existing version, or you could upload it using the instructions in our How to Install a New Theme video. Check out the rest of our Using WordPress series for more tips on using your WordPress website.